So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now sitting at 114,960, 972. And the overall situation of Bitcoin is, it is losing the area of 115. It is the first time in a sense that I'll show it to you. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm sitting here, because I threw away my gaming chair. My cats, because of my cats, I generally throw away a lot of stuff, like the cat tree, some other furniture. Every 6 months I lose few $1,000s because of my cats. And gaming chair is one of those losses that I incur. So I have purchased another one, but I haven't attached it because I was busy doing some stuff, so I didn't find time. Anyway, 115, this is your area of support. I told you when it failed at 120, and then again I didn't make videos for 2 days. We had one candle closing above it, the second one went below it. I told you that this is bearish engulfing. It clearly dictates that don't get fooled by this green candle, this big ass red candle. Bearish engulfing was dictating that it is bearish and I want to go down. Of course, it's a single candle, but the overall environment was in that case scenario as well, and that's why up till now we have seen the area of 140,365. That's the drop that we have seen, but my area of interest is 115. If we lose 115, then I think we will be going down towards 112. Now I can talk about 110 as well, which is a psychological support, but I'm interested in 112 now because we have something magical at 112, and that is a double top structure. You have one top and then you have a second top in the making. If it goes down to 112 and it holds on to this area and it doesn't go below, we still have hope of reversal, of going towards 120, 125, 130, all the stuff that you're dreaming. There is still hope. But if it delivers on this 112, I think it's going to start a lot of people freaking out. They all are going to start freaking out, and I think that going below it will go down below 110 for sure if it delivers on this. But I think below 110, a lot of people will freak out. Then they will be looking for 107, 102, those kind of support areas. But the thing is that I think there is going to be a bit of panic, and institutions and everyone will start panicking if we go below 100. But I'll talk about it once we get there. At this stage, my area of interest is 115. If we lose this area for more than 2 days, I would assume we want to go down towards 112, and then over there we just need to sit down and wait for the break of the neckline. If the neckline breaks, we get bearish. If it doesn't, we stay bullish. Up till now, I cannot turn bearish because we are still holding above 112. As long as that is intact, bullish case scenario is alive. If we go below 112, it becomes a questionable case scenario and early bearish case scenario. And of course, it is a full bear run below 100K. Once we get there, we will start talking about it because it's going to be a shit show. There's going to be billions and billions of dollars of liquidation. So far, we have seen like around $1.5 billion of liquidation in these past few days. Of all people who are bullish, they lost a lot of money. But I think that we will lose way more once we go below 100. There's going to be a panic sell. But all that for later. At this stage, let's see what the hell happens to 115. If we lose 115, then things will get interesting. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.